What if one AI tool could replace 10 different tools and do everything for you in minutes? In this video, I will show you a live demo of Clever AI Studio so you can see exactly how it works. No confusion, no guesswork, just real uses. Here is something interesting. I tested Clever AI Studio with a simple task. I gave it a basic website idea, and within minutes it generated content, design, and even marketing ideas. No complicated setup, no long prompts. That is where this tool feels different. Now before we continue with the demo, I want to show you something very special I have put together. I created the Clever AI Studio Freelance Income Kit and help you get result fast. First, you get the Fiverr Gig Setup Blueprint. This is manual that shows you how to turn your AI asset into a high-ticket services on Fiverr. It helps you build a professional profile so you can start getting recurring income. Next bonus is the Clever AI Studio Freelance Launch Checklist. Then third bonus is the High Demand Service Cheat Sheet. The fourth bonus is Beginner Freelance Mini Guide. My fifth and final bonus is $100 per day freelance case study. The total value of this entire package is $497. But today your price is completely free when you buy Clever AI Studio through my link. Just remember, only the first 50 buyers get all of these bonuses. Click the link in description below and buy through my link. Your bonus package will be waiting for you automatically in members area after you purchase. Now I am going to show you a detailed training demo of Clever AI Studio so you can see exactly how it works. First we start inside the main dashboard. You can see that this studio gives you access to over 300 AI models and 500 AI tools all in one place to help grow your businesses. Right from the dashboard, you have several options to get started. You can choose to create music, content, images or videos. There are also sections for training your bonuses and specific tools like a text-to-video generator, a script writer, and an AI voice generator. You even have access to an AI interior generator. If you click on the Tools section on the left menu, it opens up a huge list of everything you might need for content generation. For example, in the Copywriting Studio, you will find tools to create blog posts, product description, video script, sales pages, and emails. There are over 300 copywriting tools alone. Next, let's look at the text-to-video generator. To use this, you just give your project a name and enter a prompt. The AI then creates the video for you. In this demo, you can see a sample video of satellite that was created using just a single prompt. The studio also includes a logo generator. You can type in what you need like a coffee logo and then the AI will generate a unique design for you. You can also use the viral hooks generator to create engaging content for social media. Finally, back on the dashboard, you can see your statistics. It shows you how many images, videos, and piece of content you have created along with your completed project. By using these different sections, you can quickly generate professional videos, unique logos, marketing copy, and many more for any niche. All your finished work is saved and listed in your project area for easy access. If you want to see more, the link in the description below where you can find all the details and the bonus. Let me be honest with you. Clever AI Studio is not for everyone. If you are expecting instant money without doing anything, then this is not for you. But if you want a simple tool that saves time and helps you create content fast, also make you money, then this can be very useful. It is best for beginners, freelancers, affiliate marketers, and content creators. Now, if you want to try Clever AI Studio, you can check the link in the description. Right now it is available at a launch discount, and if you buy through my link you will also get all my bonuses which will help you actually start earning. So don't wait too long. Click the link below, check the details and see if this is right for you.